What's up with it, y'all? I got the new Jean Paul Gaultier Lamar Elixir Absolute in this box. Let's unbox it. I'm actually real excited. This is my excited face. How y'all like that? Let's go ahead and get this open now. Damn. Jean Paul Gaultier did not send me this. Alright, y'all, this is what we got. They gave me a postal card, which is fire, giving me ideas with my fragrance brand. They gave me a Jean Paul Gaultier tote bag. Okay, little bag. Jean Paul Gaultier little wallet. Kinda cool. A Jean Paul Gaultier miniature set with all the girl fragrances in it. I got a sample. Another sample. Alright, y'all. Finally, I got the fragrance right here. First impression. Alright, y'all. Let's see. Check out this bottle. It looks really similar. This is the Elixir. This is the new one. Alright, first impression. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow, that just comes off the skin. This don't even smell like it got no alcohol in it. This smells like pure oil. This is strong, bro. It got like this sweet floral amber iris thing going on, like it's real floraling. It smells like Dior Homme Intense, which is this fragrance right here, had a baby with this right here. You put these two fragrances together, you got the brand new Absolu, bro. It got that lipstick smell like how Dior Homme Intense got. Jean Paul Gaultier Elixir Absolu. Comment below if you want me to rank all the Jean Paul Gaultier fragrances together.